The Hbada E3 is an ergonomic office chair with a footrest. Let's unbox it and set it up and take a look at this chair. Assembling the chair took me about 40 minutes. It's not the fastest assembly that I've done on a chair, but this chair does have quite a few more parts to assemble versus others I've worked on. The chair has a T-shaped support system, which is designed to support the neck, waist, and shoulders to ease you from discomfort during long periods of sitting. The 4D headrest can be adjusted up or down by 1.8 inches, and it can be rotated 70 degrees with a dual axis rotation. It can also be adjusted forward and back by 2.2 inches. The 3-zone elastic lumbar support can be adjusted front and back by 1 inch, and up and down 1.6 inches. It also has wings on the sides which rotate 40 degrees in or out, supporting you in your seat. The seat is a breathable mesh material made of nylon and yarn which provide high elasticity and comfort. The seat depth is also adjustable by 1.97 inches, so it can fit different leg lengths and heights. The total seat width is 20.5 inches, and depth between 18.7 and 20.7 inches, depending on the setting you set it to. As for the armrest, it's a 6D mechanical armrest, which can be adjusted forward and back by 1.2 inches, up and down by 3 inches, and left and right by 1.2 inches. It can also be rotated left or right by 70 degrees. In addition to all that, the front section can be flipped up by 40 degrees. Moving on to the reclining. This chair can recline up to 140 degrees. The chair height is between 39.2 to 45.1 inches. The maximum weight recommended on this chair is 300 pounds. It has a metal base and mute rollers which provide a quiet rolling experience with little sound. This is a comfortable and customizable chair with numerous options and adjustments that should help make the chair fit your liking. A few of the things that I like with this chair is the fact that the seat depth is adjustable, it reclines back a good distance, and it provides a good amount of support for your back. One thing I would have liked better is to have the base as one piece, instead of having to assemble the legs individually. As for pricing, currently it's listed just under $550 US, so it is on the pricier side. However, if you prefer one without the footrest, you can save $100. I'll place links in the description for anyone who's interested, and I'll see you in the next video.